Hey, do you know Korea? What if I told you you could experience Korea without even leaving your country? As someone who has spent years promoting Korean culture in Pakistan, my vision has always been to create a space where people can connect with Korea through culture, creativity, and shared experiences. And K-WAVE Festa 2026 felt exactly like that vision coming to life. The event brought together so many different parts of Korea in one place, and everything was completely free. There were booths of Korean food, KBeauty, Korean hanbok dresses, traditional games, language, and cultural experiences that every corner felt like stepping into a different side of Korea. Even global Korean brands like Samsung and cultural organizations came together to create an immersive experience for everyone visiting. For Hallyu culture, my KCON Pakistan represented the passion Pakistani youth have for K-pop and Korean entertainment. Together with my team, we created interactive games, giveaways, and a K-pop and K-drama selfie experience to bring fans together through joy and community. And seeing all 500 plus giveaway gifts disappear so quickly made me realize just how powerful cultural connection can be. One of the most unforgettable parts of my day was participating in the KBeauty masterclass with Korean beauty experts including Sean. Before this, I had only seen personal color analysis and videos featuring Korean celebrities, so experiencing it myself felt surreal. I was guided by Monk Color Lab CEO Lee Yu Jin, the same color lab known for analyzing celebrities including Robert Pattinson. I learned from her that cool tones suit me best, and through the experience I realized how personalized and detailed Korean beauty culture truly is. Professor Sean and Professor Choi Ji Woo taught us Korean idol makeup techniques according to our individual features and skin tones, while guiding us personally throughout the session. The main model for the class was actress Ghana Ali. I tried doing the makeup on myself using everything I learned during the class, and honestly, I was so excited to finally try Korean makeup brands like ColorGram because they're not easily available in Pakistan. I was struggling while creating my AQ but Professor Choi Ji Woo personally helped me, which made the experience feel even more special. One of my favorite moments was receiving a KBeauty gift box wrapped in traditional Korean silk. It was HeveBlue skincare gift set featuring PDRN, an ingredient that has recently become very popular in Korean skincare. I loved how even modern beauty products were presented together with Korean tradition, showing how Korea beautifully preserves its heritage while still embracing modern trends. Later in the evening, I had the honor of being a judge for the K-pop festival. Watching Pakistani participants perform Korean music and choreography with so much passion reminded me how deeply Korean culture has inspired people across the world. In moments like these, culture stops feeling distant and starts feeling shared. That is why I always say, Korea doesn't feel far from home. It is home. Korea is more than just trends or entertainment for me. And through experiences like KWave Festa, I hope to continue building cultural bridges between Pakistan and Korea, one story at a time. From Pakistan, with love for Korea.
안녕.